been a long year. It's been a long month. It's even been a long week, even a long day. And every now and then, you just need a vacation. But if you can't get a real vacation, then a staycation is the next best thing. And the staycation is from Devin Kennedy at Pouring Ribbons in New York and can be found in the Easy Tiki book by Chloe Frechette. And if you find that oftentimes here the recipes that I share can be a little bit too advanced, this book can help. There's no more than 6 ingredients in these cocktails, but you still might need a specialty liqueur or a syrup, so just be warned. The Staycation is a riff on the Trade Winds, which is on its own an excellent cocktail. This is being revised with some rye whiskey and passion fruit syrup, and I just love the name Staycation. It's perfect for a tropical drink that we're generally not really going to experience on a real vacation. But you know what should never go on vacation? Your skincare routine. Geology makes award-winning skin, hair, and body products. They have over 10,000 5-star reviews and offer simple and effective skincare and hair care routines. Geology is now a 38-time award-winning personalized skincare company recognized in Men's Health, Esquire, and Ask Men. They make it easy by taking the guesswork out of your routine. Just click on the link below, take a 60-second quiz, and a few clicks later, and you are all set. All the products are clearly defined, like how much to use, when to use them, and so on. And the anti-aging night cream, I don't even have it with me right now. I keep it on my nightstand, so I never forget to use it. Geology Skincare helps you fight acne, reduce oiliness, prevent wrinkles, combat dark or puffy under eyes, have smoother, hydrated skin, and target signs of aging. If you want to try it out, use my link and code below to get 70% off your custom skincare starter set. That's a full month trial for only $12 plus. You can grab any add-ons of your choice absolutely free. Trust me, your skin will thank you. So the Staycation is a riff on the Trade Winds, and in the Easy Tiki book, Devin Kennedy is quoted as saying, "This is a drink you have when you play ocean sounds on your TV." Sounds so peaceful. The Easy Tiki book calls for a cream of coconut that is half Coco Lopez and half coconut milk, which I've made. I use Real instead of Coco Lopez just because I kind of prefer that slightly more. But this is a half coconut milk, half cream of coconut. That means it's going to be less sweet than your typical cream of coconuts. It's going to be less than 50 bricks as well. You're going to have some sugar in your coconut milk, and then whatever the sugar content is of your cream of coconut, but you're probably going to be somewhere in the mid-30s to about 40 bricks. So let's get started, and I'm going to start with 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of our cream of coconut, a 1/4 ounce of passion fruit syrup, a 1/4 ounce of an apricot liqueur, 1 ounce of a rye whiskey, and 1 ounce of a demerara rum. I live in California, but it was 32 degrees this morning, which is very cold for around here. So it's a perfect time to get away. Staycation. Cheers. The recipe does suggest to use Rittenhouse rye, which is 100 proof, and then Hamilton 86 proof. So a little bit higher proof spirits here. I don't know if I necessarily can tell that it's a rye whiskey, but it's definitely whiskey. And that it's so simple yet so transformative. I can't remember a time off the top of my head, at least, where I've had a cream of coconut and a rye or a bourbon. I know those cocktails exist. I'm just blanking on it. So the rye transforms it and gives that quintessential whiskey flavor to kind of the top note of the drink. And then the demerara there, which usually demerara is going to be the one that stands up the most. It's in the background, providing some richness, but lots of pleasant sweetness from the cream of coconut, as well as the passion fruit, giving like a little bit more of a brighter burst than just the lemon juice alone. There's great texture and great body to it, but I always like, if you're going to use an ounce of a cream of coconut, if it's cut with some coconut milk, because you still get the texture in the body, but it's not so cloyingly sweet. Always reminds me of hotel pools that have, a pina colada where they're using like 1 or 2 ounces of cream of coconut. It's like, it can taste good and sweet, but then it also, one of those and you're kind of done for. But this, it feels, I want to say it feels heavy. It's like you have some heavier notes from the spirit, but then the lightness of the lemon and the passion fruit, it's really good. It's just a little bit different. It's not like totally out there different, but just different enough to be really unique in its own thing. Oh yeah, and the apricot there, that Rothman and Winter, it comes through. It's a little bit milder here than a normal trade ones because we're using passion fruit as well, but it still leans back into the old one with the cream of coconut with the apricot. So this is a delicious one if you have not tried it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to this channel. If you want to support this channel more, I do have a Patreon page where you can see behind the scenes stuff and exclusive videos. Otherwise, see you on the next one.
All the magic colors of your lovely flower shore. Sing